Hello, I'm Matt from Moreton Flooring Centre. The samples of laminate flooring you see on the wall behind me are from our stock range. This is a fantastic range of laminate flooring. As you can see, it comes in a variety of different colours, comes in a variety of different thicknesses, starting from 8mm. You can get different plank widths, the thin plank or the thicker planks. Also, the very popular Herringbone is available in this range. The prices are fantastic and it's exclusive to us, so you won't get these laminate floors anywhere else. If you'd like more details, give the shop a call on 0151 677 4997, ask for Brian and ask to book in for your free measure and quote. We'll come out to your house, it's absolutely free of charge, we'll measure up. In most cases we can give you a quote there and then, and you can take things from there with the guys at the shop. Thanks.